Microbial physiology is the study of the metabolic process and functions of microorganisms. We are talking about the metabolic processes, like the metabolic processes happening in our body, like for example, digestive system. So of course we have to study the metabolic process of our body, how it does the digestion process. So the same kind of thing happens in the microorganisms, although they are unicellular, although they are not very complex, but of course they have a little bit of the metabolic processes happening in them. So let's study about the metabolic pathway of Lactobacillus species. I mentioned the bacteria that spoil milk and turn it into the yogurt. How does it actually do it? This is the metabolic process of them doing it. Well, you might not understand it completely, but I will just focus on the main points. The milk has carbohydrates in it. Carbohydrates can be made up of long chains of carbons, and the number can vary, but the ones that are being given here is the hexoses and the pentoses. Hexoses means 6 carbon carbohydrate and pentoses means 5 carbon. So, well, actually, they break down those long carbohydrates and turn it into these, and then they follow the process, produces the following things like, ethanol, acetate, or things like that, and produce the yogurt. Actually, when they produce these, they actually react with other stuff or combines with other stuff. They are actually very different, and that causes the pH of the milk to change and the proteins present in them to denature, and it actually clumps together and form yogurt. So this is the glycolysis process shown. These species just directly changes the pyruvate and to the acetyl CoA, and from acetyl CoA directly to the ethanol and the acetate